How to download and install Doodle Jump. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this app. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Doodle Jump. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now here on the bottom, hit on this install button. So the installation process has just begun. So what is this game about? Basically this is an offline game. Here you can find different adventures and you can even find different tactical games. So you can install it and start playing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.